हेलो हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू एतबार अकेडमी। सीखो भरोसे से जीतो मेहनत से। आज हम लेकर आए हैं यूपी टेट का 2 जुलाई का फर्स्ट शिफ्ट का इंग्लिश का पेपर, जो कि मैं आपको आंसर के साथ बताऊंगी। तो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, वीडियो को शेयर कीजिए, दोस्तों में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए। चैनल एतबार अकेडमी सीखो भरोसे से जीतो मेहनत से को आज ही सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन दबा दीजिए। मैंने यूपी टेट से रिलेटेड CTP, इंग्लिश, मैथ, हिंदी, साइंस, इंग्लिश, ईवीएस जो भी मैंने प्रैक्टिस सेट डाला है 10 मिनट 15 मिनट का, सबसे ज़्यादा यहीं से आए हैं। तो आप एक बार जाकर, यकीन नहीं हो रहा है तो उसे देख लीजिए फ्रेंड्स। इसके बाद अब यूपी टेट खत्म हो गया, अब सी टेट का बहुत जल्दी वीडियो आने वाला है इस चैनल पर, तो चैनल को आज ही सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। आइए बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो को। इसकी बिल्कुल मत कीजिएगा, लास्ट तक बने रहेगा। हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, चूज द सेंटेंस इन विच द एडजेक्टिव एंड इट्स डिग्री आर यूज्ड विदाउट ग्रामेटिकल एरर। करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर बी, this analytical reports is the superior than previous. Question number 62. Choose the word correctly formed from the root word to fit the sentence. Correct answer option number A, unauthorized. Question number 63. Select the option in which the complete subject has been identified correctly. Sentence: many skilled artists from different regions participated in the exhibition. Correct answer option number A, many skilled artists from different regions. Question number 64. Select the option that is the closest antonym of the words askant. Askant का हो जाएगा discant. Question number 65. Select the word in which the silent letter does not belong to the same sound patterns as the others. Ghost हो जाएगा. Question number 66. Choose the sentence with an appropriate conjunction indicating purpose. Correct answer option number A, he studied hard so that he could qualify for the fellowship. Question number 67 देखिए, which statement uses an interjection correctly? Correct answer option number B, hooray the team won. Question number 68. Choose the correct plural form to complete the sentence. The committee evaluated several sticks before approving the research proposal for finding. Correct answer option number B, criteria हो जाएगा. Question number 69. Select the sentence containing a correctly used reciprocal pronoun. Correct answer option number C, the two brothers blamed each other for the incident. Question number 17. Select the sentence containing the correct use of a preposition with a noun. Correct answer option number C, there is no exception to this regulation. Question number 71. Select the option that is the closest synonym of the word laconic as used in formal English uses. Correct answer option number B, concise. Question number 72. Choose the word that belongs to the category of an abstract noun in the sentence. Her kindness impressed everyone. Correct answer option number D, kindness. Question number 73 देखिए, choose the correct interrogative sentence from the given options. Correct answer option number A, did the student submit the assignment yesterday? Question mark लग जाएगा. Question number 74. Select the sentence that correctly transforms the given active verbs into passive verbs. People believe that the scientists discovered a rare element. Correct answer option number A, the scientist is believed to have discovered a rare element. Question number 75. In this sentence, you must complete the assignment today. The verb must is classified. Correct answer option number B, modal auxiliary verb. Question number 26. Select the sentence in which the preposition is used correctly. Correct answer option number A, the committee deliberated on the proposal for the 3 hours. आइए अब देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 27. आइडेंटिफाई द करेक्टली पंक्चुएटेड सेंटेंस फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग ऑप्शंस. तो करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर डी, द स्पीकर सेड दैट सक्सेस रिक्वायर्स डिसिप्लिन, perseverance and hard work. Question number 78. Select the sentence that correctly uses as correlative conjunction. Correct answer option number D, neither the manager nor the employees were willing to compromise. Question number 79. Choose the option that correctly complete the sentence. The speaker's argument lack sufficient evidence and therefore failed to the audience. Correct answer option number D, persuade. Question number 18. Choose the most appropriate word to complete the sentence. The director stated that failing to comply with the revised regulations would not be permitted to participate in the academic conference. Correct answer option number C, anybody. Question number 81. Choose the option in which the noun changes from a common noun to a proper noun. Correct answer option number B, boy का हो जाएगा child. boy का child हो जाएगा. आइए देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 82. Choose the sentence that maintains grammatical accuracy while conniving a polite request. Correct answer option number B. Kindly you lend me your notes for a day. Next question, question number 83. Select the correctly reported form of the sentence. The teacher said, let us begin the discussion immediately. Correct answer option number A. The teacher suggested that they should begin the discussion immediately. Question number 84. In this sentence, he has been reading for 3 hours. The verb phrase has been reading represents. Correct answer option number D. Finite main verb with auxiliaries. 85. Which word is the closest synonym of audacious? Audacious को होता है bold. ऑडेसियस मीन्स बहादुर होता है, तो बोल्ड मतलब भी होता है बहादुर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 86. चूज द सेंटेंस इन विच द एडवर्ब एक्सप्रेस फ्रीक्वेंसी. करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर बी. ही ऑफन विजिट्स द लाइब्रेरी आफ्टर क्लासेस. चूज द सेंटेंस इन विच द एडवर्ब एक्सप्रेसेस फ्रीक्वेंसी. करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर बी. ही ऑफन विजिट्स द लाइब्रेरी आफ्टर क्लासेस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 87. सेलेक्ट द ऑप्शन इन विच द जेंडर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन is grammatically incorrect. Correct answer option number B. सुल्तान का सल्तनत सल्तनत. आइए अब देखते हैं. Read the passage and the answer questions 88 to 90. There was a rich industrialist who was inclined towards living a spiritual life. Often his yearning for God was so strong that he would weep in silence with tears of love and longing. However, he continued to live a luxurious life amid worldly comforts. One day when he was meditating in his garden, reflecting upon the beauty of flowers and the bounty of nature, he had a mystical experience. In the deep silence of meditation, he had a vision. The vision profiled his onward journey. He saw in the vision that after the end of this earthly journey, he had embarked on a second journey. This journey was long, arduous and exhausting. It continued endlessly, and there were many obstacles he had to face on the way. The heat was sizzling and unbearable, but there was no one to give him an umbrella to protect him from the harsh sun. Question number 88. According to the passage, where was the industrialist when he had a mystical experience? Correct answer option number B. In his garden while meditating. Question number 89. Why did the industrialist often weep in silence according to the passage? Correct answer option number D. He longed for God and felt love. Question number 90. According to the passage, what did the vision reveal about the journey the industrialist would undertake after his earthly life? Correct answer option number A. He had to embark on a second long and arduous. इसी में सब दिया हुआ फ्रेंड्स. अगर आप पढ़ेंगे फिर ये क्वेश्चन देखेंगे तो सेम इसको समझ के ही इसका करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा. तो फ्रेंड्स ये थे इंग्लिश के यूपी टेट के 2 जुलाई के शिफ्ट 1 के इंग्लिश का सेट. तो उम्मीद है आपको आज का क्वेश्चन समझ में आया होगा. तो चैनल को लाइक कर दीजिए, दोस्तों में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में अब सीटेट की तैयारी के साथ. तो चैनल को आज ही सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. बहुत कम टाइम में मैंने यूपी टेट का तैयारी करवाया, उसी से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन है. आपको बिलीव नहीं हो रहा है तो यूपी टेट का क्वेश्चन देखिए. 10-10 मिनट का मैंने प्रैक्टिस सेट डाला है. तो अब बारी है सीटेट की. तो इंशाल्लाह हम लोग सब लोग मिलकर साथ में करेंगे. तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. वीडियो देखने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. टेक केयर. अल्लाह हाफिज़. जय हिंद, जय भारत.